What's up, everybody? Welcome to Pete Shop Makes. I'm your host Pete. Today, assembly of the Inventables x-carve 1000 millimeter CNC router. Should be a fun build. Manual says 10 hours minimum, but we're gonna go ahead and pull an all-nighter and see if we can't get this thing thrown together. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, pretty much what I've been working on this entire time was the side plates for the X and Y axis and the Z axis for the gantry. And that's what we're going to go ahead and do now, is just finish assembling all the rails, and pretty much once this is done, the framework will be complete. And all we have to do is just finish wiring it up, all the motors, and yeah, we'll be on the home stretch. So pretty stoked. It's actually taking a lot less time than I thought, but yeah, we'll just go ahead and keep on pushing, and not too much longer we'll be done. So let's carry on. Just about got this thing finished up, and now we're just gonna get this thing calibrated. Alright, I think we're about ready to run this program. Just gonna have it do a simple just my name of my business, and hopefully we don't have to hit the emergency brake. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Oh, I guess I should start the vacuum, huh? And I am doing this inside my guest room because I can't move this outside by myself. There we go. Well, there's the first carving. I had a different bit than what was what I told it to on the program, so that's why it kind of cut pretty funky. But if I had the right bit, it should have turned out a lot better. But I mean, it's still not terrible. I can fill that with resin or something, you know. But anyways, really happy with it so far. I mean, given that was only the first test cut, but I don't know. Initial thoughts on the whole assembly. Given what I paid for it, I would have liked to have seen, I mean, like the gantry and some of the side plates and the wheels and everything. I don't see why a lot of that couldn't have been assembled prior to shipping it to me. I would have gladly paid, you know, another 200, whatever, you know, couple $100 to have this thing majority of the way assembled, if not completely assembled, than to spend the, 6 hours total to assemble this whole thing. So that's kind of my only gripe so far. But other than that, I have some big ideas what I'm going to do with this thing, and really look forward to using it. So yeah, so far so good. So thanks for sticking around, you guys, checking it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in getting an x-carve, you know, maybe this helped you make your decision. But again, this isn't a sponsored video or anything. I paid for this outright with my own money, and so this is a completely unbiased opinion. But yeah, so there you go. Just wanted to share that with you. My new xcarve CNC router from Inventables. So thanks a lot, you guys.